Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, PBB leaders, PBB members, Mr. Nilzam is my lecturer and all audience, please welcome. Let me introduce myself. My name is Andi In here, I'm a colleagues representative of Vocational Tourism Airlangga University. First, thanks to God for God's mercy, we can gather in this video to discuss about Indonesian tourism. Before I explain about tourism in Indonesia, first I will explain to all of you about tourism and tourists. Tourism is travel for leisure, business purpose, and other purpose. And tourists are people who stay to travel and enjoy a place as long as they stay outside their usual environment for more than 24 hours and not more than one consecutive year for vacation, business, and other purpose, and not related to the implementation of an activity that is paid for from within the place visit. Indonesian tourism is an important economic sector in Indonesia. In 2009, foreign exchange earnings were the third after oil and gas and palm oil commodities. Based on 2016 data, the number of foreign tourists coming to Indonesia grew up to 10.79% compared to the previous year. Natural and cultural wealth is an important component of tourism in Indonesia. Indonesian nature has combination of tropical climate and geography. Indonesia is also the largest and populous archipelago in the world. The beach in Bali, diving spot in Bunaken, Mount Ranten in Rinjani, Lombok, and various national parks in Sumatra are examples of nature tourist destination in Indonesia. Three tourist attractions supported by a rich cultural heritage that reflect and history and dynamic diversity of Indonesian ethnic groups: Prambanan, Borobudur, Raja, Yogyakarta, Minangkabau, Bali are example cultural tourism destination in Indonesia. Until 2010, there were 7 locations in Indonesia that had been determined by UNESCO to be included in the list of World Heritage Trees. For that is that lost the beauty and wealth of Indonesian can be seen by the world. Finally, I apologize when I explain my speech. There are many words that hurt you. This is my final argument. I hope that what I have said above can bring more benefit in your life. Thank you and have a nice day.